Yeah, we're at the YouTube call out and here in Maple Grove Raceway. It's going to be a lot of fun. So what do we hope to do today? What is our objective? Well, today we got all the merch on deck looking crazy. Then in addition to that, we got Cheapokitty, which we about to do some runs in. So the coolest part is, special thanks to my boy Tunnel Chaser, who brought me out his demon wheels to run on because he runs on slicks. So he bought me his Nitto NT05R demon wheels, demon tires and wheels. I'm gonna put them on Cheapokitty now. We're about to go to the line, get checked in. Let's see how much of a difference a tire makes. My fastest so far with Cheapokitty has been 11.7 at about 124 miles an hour. Let's see if these tires make that big of a difference. Come on. Here we go. This is it. This is it. Stangmode versus Mod2Fame. Got me clean, y'all. He got me clean. He got me clean. I had a good run. I need more launch though. I need more launch. Hey man, that was my cleanest run so far. Yeah. And you got me clean, man. It was a good pass. That was good, man. That was a good race. Next time I'm gonna launch at 3,500. Yeah. You're learning the car, man. I'm learning. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. That thing is moving though, man. You definitely ran probably faster than your 11.3 though. Yeah, yeah. It was moving. It was moving. A couple times I was impressed with it by myself. Oh, nah, that was good, man. The car was moving. Good times, bro. All right, yo, good run, man. That Mustang GT just killed the cat. All right, bro. All right. All right, guys. So here's the deal. Oh shit, I'm about to get my run back with Stangmode, baby. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's get our run back. Let's get that win back, baby. This time we going 3,700 RPM. Got him. Come on, catch him, baby.
Oh no, I can't believe he won. No.
Got him. Come on, catch him, baby. All right, so we got it down to an 11,554. I gotta shift quicker, man. That's all it is. We gonna get this down to, we can get it down to an 11.2. I know we can. I just gotta shift quicker. But man, does this thing feel good leaving. Woo! Gotta get a better time. Yup. I stayed in second gear too long. I hit the rev limiter. So this time I got it, bro. That was an 11.5.
That's a hell of a run with a stick.
I got 11.2 in it though, I'm telling you. Yeah. All right, brother. That was a good run. That was a good run. That was a good run. I actually don't know who won. I think he might have got me on my 3-4 shift. That Mustang is fast, bro. That Mustang is fast. Wow, that's impressive. I mean, granted, on a longer stretch, I would just pull away, but sheesh. Let's see what we ran, guys. Let's see what we got. See what we got. We are left lane. It slipped a little bit. It slipped a little bit, but what? How did I run slower? In a worse 60 foot. Oh man. God damn. How did I get slower? I guess I gotta let the car cool. Yup, you're on the edge of your seat, right? That was another one, another great video in this journey of what we've been doing for you guys, of building Mod2Fame, and for you guys, the M2Fers. As a matter of fact, check this merch out right here. This is that new, got Mod2Fame on the arm, M2Fer on the chest. It's just for you guys. But seriously though, we wanna thank you because we hit 60,000 subscribers. 60,000 subs, man, and we're climbing fast. 100,000 by the end of the year. Let's do it. Thank you for jumping in. It's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame. The next video is coming up, if not tomorrow, the day after. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification. But until the next one, we out.